Have you ever dreamt of a life filled with joy, abundance, and love? Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose, knowing that you have the power to shape your destiny. Picture yourself surrounded by positive energy, attracting opportunities and experiences that bring you happiness and fulfillment. What if you hold the key to unlocking this extraordinary life? This key isn't something you have to search for, it's already within you, waiting to be discovered and used. The law of attraction suggests that you do. This principle is based on the idea that like attracts like, meaning that the energy you put out into the universe is the energy you get back. It's a powerful force that's always at work, shaping your reality based on your thoughts and feelings. Every thought you think and every emotion you feel sends out a vibration that attracts similar vibrations back to you. This isn't a New Age concept. Philosophers and thinkers throughout history have understood and harnessed this power. It's a universal law, just like gravity. Just as gravity pulls objects towards the earth, the law of attraction pulls experiences and opportunities towards you based on your thoughts and feelings. It operates whether you're aware of it or not. Even if you don't consciously think about it, your thoughts and emotions are constantly shaping your reality. The exciting part? Once you understand how it works, you can consciously direct it to create the life you desire. You can start to deliberately focus on positive thoughts and feelings, and watch as your life transforms. The Secret brought the law of attraction to the forefront, revealing how this powerful principle has been used by successful people throughout history. These individuals knew that their thoughts were powerful tools for creating their reality. They understood that their thoughts are like magnets, attracting similar experiences into their lives. By focusing on what they wanted rather than what they didn't want, they were able to manifest their dreams. This means you have the incredible power to manifest your dreams. You can achieve your goals and create a life that you love by aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desires. You become the creator of your own reality. Every action you take, every decision you make is a step towards building the life you envision. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? The power is within you, waiting to be unleashed. Embrace it, and start creating the life you've always dreamed of. The core principle of the law of attraction is simple, like attracts like. This means that positive thoughts attract positive experiences, and negative thoughts attract negative ones. It's all about energy. Think of your thoughts as having a specific frequency. When you focus on positive thoughts, you emit a high frequency, attracting positive people, opportunities, and circumstances into your life. Conversely, dwelling on negativity lowers your frequency, attracting more negativity. It becomes a vicious cycle. But the good news is, you can break free from it. By consciously choosing positive thoughts, you shift your energy and begin to attract more of what you desire. Remember, you are a powerful magnet, drawing in experiences that match your dominant vibration. The Secret reveals the law of attraction in 3 simple steps: ask, believe, receive. First, you must get clear on what you want. What are your deepest desires? What brings you joy? Once you've identified your desires, ask the universe for them. This can be done through prayer, affirmations, or simply setting clear intentions. The key is to ask with feeling, as if you already possess what you're seeking. Next, believe that your desires are already on their way to you. Trust in the unseen forces of the universe to orchestrate the perfect circumstances for their manifestation. This unwavering faith is crucial. Finally, remain open to receiving. This means letting go of any resistance or doubt and embracing the abundance that's flowing into your life. Be grateful for every blessing, big or small. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation. It involves creating a clear mental picture of your desired outcome as if it's happening right now. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? Imagine yourself living your dream life. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement. The more detailed and vivid your visualization, the stronger your attraction power becomes. Vision boards are fantastic tools for enhancing visualization. Find images and words that represent your goals and dreams. Arrange them on a board and place it somewhere you'll see it daily. This serves as a constant reminder of what you're attracting into your life. Remember, the universe responds to your imagination, not your current reality. So dare to dream big and visualize your ideal life with unwavering faith. One of the most crucial aspects of manifestation is embodying the feeling of already having what you desire. This means shifting your mindset from one of lack and longing to one of abundance and gratitude. Instead of saying, "I want a new car," try saying, "I am so grateful for my new car." Feel the excitement and joy as if you're driving it right now. This emotional alignment is key. The universe responds to your energetic vibration, not your words. When you feel the emotions associated with your desires, you send out a powerful signal that attracts those experiences into your reality. So embrace the feeling of having it now. Let go of any doubts or limiting beliefs and step into the energy of already being, doing, or having what you desire. Aligning your emotions. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your vibrational frequency. Positive emotions such as love, joy, and gratitude vibrate at a high frequency, attracting more positive experiences. On the other hand, negative emotions like anger, fear, and resentment lower your vibration, attracting more negativity. It's essential to become aware of your emotional state throughout the day. Practice gratitude daily. Focus on the good in your life, no matter how small. This simple act raises your vibration and attracts more things to be grateful for. When negative emotions arise, acknowledge them without judgment, and then consciously shift your focus to something positive. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts and emotions and therefore your reality. Taking inspired action. While the law of attraction emphasizes the power of thoughts and feelings, it's not about sitting back and waiting for your dreams to magically manifest. Inspired action is crucial. Once you've set your intentions and aligned your energy, be open to receiving guidance and opportunities from the universe. This might come in the form of intuitive nudges, synchronicities, or chance encounters. Trust your intuition, and take action on the ideas and opportunities that resonate with you. These are often signs from the universe guiding you towards your desires. Remember, the universe loves action. By taking inspired steps towards your goals, you demonstrate your commitment and allow the manifestation process to unfold more swiftly. Manifesting love and success. The law of attraction can be applied to all areas of life, including love, relationships, career, finances, and health. It is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you desire by focusing on positive thoughts and feelings. For example, if you're seeking a loving partner, focus on embodying the qualities you desire in a mate. Imagine the kind of relationship you want and feel the emotions associated with it. Cultivate self-love and radiate love and positivity outward. When you love yourself, you become a magnet for love. Practice daily affirmations and visualize yourself in a loving relationship. Visualize yourself in a happy, fulfilling relationship and trust that the universe will bring the right person into your life at the perfect time. Trust the process and remain open to possibilities. In the realm of business and career, clarify your ideal job or business venture. Be specific about what you want to achieve and how you want to feel in your professional life. Visualize yourself excelling in your chosen field, feeling fulfilled and abundant. See yourself achieving your goals and being recognized for your hard work and dedication. Network with like-minded individuals and take inspired action towards your goals. Surround yourself with people who support and uplift you. Remember, the universe wants to support you in achieving your dreams. Stay positive and keep your focus on what you want to manifest. By aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires, you create a powerful force for manifestation in all areas of your life. Believe in yourself and the power of the universe to bring your dreams to fruition. Embracing the journey. Manifesting your dreams is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's a path filled with learning, growth, and self-discovery. Each step you take brings you closer to your true self and your deepest desires. There will be ups and downs, challenges, and triumphs along the way. These moments shape who you are and build your resilience. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a positive mindset. Approach each day with curiosity and wonder, knowing that every experience is a valuable part of your story. Don't get discouraged if your desires don't manifest overnight. Patience is key. Understand that everything happens in its own time and the universe has a perfect plan for you. Trust in the timing of the universe and maintain unwavering faith in the process. The stars align when the moment is right, and your dreams will come to fruition when you are ready. Every experience, both positive and challenging, serves a purpose in your growth and evolution. Reflect on your journey and you'll see how far you've come and how much you've learned. Remember to celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small. Each victory is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Take time to acknowledge and appreciate your achievements. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for more blessings. By focusing on what you have, you open the door to receiving even more. Keep a gratitude journal and make it a habit to express thanks daily. By focusing on the good, you attract more of it into your life. Positive affirmations and a grateful heart create a fertile ground for your dreams to grow and flourish. The law of attraction is a lifelong practice. It's not a one-time event, but a continuous journey of aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your highest aspirations. The more you consciously apply its principles, the more you'll witness its transformative power in your life. Each realization and achievement brings you closer to mastering this universal law. So embrace the journey, trust the process, and watch your dreams unfold in magical and unexpected ways. Your path is unique, and every step is a beautiful part of your story.